kurde, stop, stój.
Yeah, this happened a couple hours ago. But let's start from the beginning. It's a Sunday morning. I didn't have any specific plans for today, but as always, I had the desire to film. So I texted my friend BUGI and asked if we maybe can film some forest drifting with him and his E36 BMW. This E36. You've probably seen it in my previous videos. He was saving up money for this car and he bought it less than 1 month ago. The weather was perfect today. It was raining a couple days straight, and driving through that forest in the rain was something that me, BUGI and a couple other friends would do quite often. So 5 minutes after I texted him if we can do it, he replied with simple yes. Hello. Jak ci jeździ, BUGI?
Mi się elegancko jeździ.
O kurde, stop, stój. O kurde. Stój, zatrzymaj się sobie. Albo zawróć, wiesz co, podjedź tam.
Do wyjebania samochód, podłużnice pokrzywione. Do wyjebania. Podłużnice, krzywe, wszystko rozjebane. Co pojechałem na Sybius ogólnie. Na razie. Kurwa mać. Nie wrzucaj się, tylko proszę na Insta, nie wrzucaj się.